What's going on, guys? This is Drew Drives at Grubbs Acura in Grapevine, Texas, and today let's go for a drive in this 2026 Acura Integra Type S. So the Integra Type S has been around since 2024. It is essentially the more luxurious version of the Honda Civic Type R, and it's available only with a 6-speed manual transmission. The 2026 models just started hitting the lots, and this one's finished in urban gray pearl, which is a new color for 2026, but we'll take a look at that in a second. You have a full digital gauge cluster, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, heated seats. I like how it says Type S over here, and also Type S on the headrest. You have ultra suede inserts on the Type S. The A-Spec Tech will just give you a micro suede. You also have the ELS Studio 3D 16 speaker sound system, which is very nice. You have Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort, and oh yeah, that's it for the modes, and the gauges will change color based off of the mode that you're in. You have adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist. And here's your reverse camera. The Integra is a very easy car to drive. Even like a beginner manual driver can probably drive this car pretty well, which is nice. And y'all like how it says Type S over there too. You have a leather wrapped steering wheel. But let's walk around this Type S and see what it looks like. The Type S does not have a sunroof, by the way. Urban Gray Pearl is a really nice color, very popular color on Acuras, and it looks really good on this Integra Type S. You can see the gold flake in there. You have Michelin Pilot Sport 4S summer tires, and red 4-piston Brembo brake calipers. Frameless diamond pentagon grille with the open diamond design on Type S models. Chicane daytime running lights. And I love the wide body on the Integra Type S. It looks phenomenal. But I think this is a great color on this car. Looks great. Here are the rear seats. Surprisingly, the Integra Type S, or even the regular Integra, has pretty good rear legroom, even compared to a TLX, which is a much bigger sedan. And the Integra Type S will give you 3 exhaust tips in the back, similar to the Honda Civic Type R. And you have a lot of space in the trunk, good practicality. There's your Type S rear cargo mat, ELS Studio 3D sound system, speaker back there. Capless fuel filling system. Premium is recommended, but you can use regular fuel, but I would strongly recommend you use premium in this car. 2026 Integra Type S, urban gray pearl on ebony, 320 horsepower, 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo engine, 6-speed manual transmission. It has a little more horsepower than the Honda Civic Type R, and the exhaust is louder on the Integra Type S as well. ELS Studio 3D sound system. 6-year 70k mile powertrain warranty, 4 years 50,000 mile limited warranty, $600 for urban gray pearl, and the total price is $55,195. You get 24 miles per gallon combined, 21 city, 28 highway. Let's get this car out on the road and go for a quick drive. And once this car's cleaned up, I'll get a quick walk around in the showroom lights so you guys can see what that looks like too. It will be a separate video. So as I said, the Integra Type S is a more comfortable version of the Civic Type R because it has lumbar support and everything like that. The Civic Type R has sport seats, fixed sports bucket seats, and it feels rougher, but this car doesn't feel that way. It's definitely a lot more comfortable. But yeah, I think the throws in this car are really good for being stock. It's very nice short throws. It's a fun car to drive. yeah, as I said, throws are really short. Yeah, like the car for a front-wheel drive model, it doesn't feel like that. Both the Civic Type R and the Integra Type S hide the fact that they're front-wheel drive very well. Steering is very nice, it's very heavy, and the car feels really, you know, well tuned and everything. It's a very small car, so it's easy to toss around corners and things like that. And the thing is, compared to the regular Integra, for whatever reason, the shifting is kind of laggy compared to the Integra Type S. As far as like how the revs and everything feel, the Integra just feels much more, the Type S just feels much more well tuned and ready to go compared to the regular Integra A-Spec Tech. Yeah, very satisfying to drive this car. I mean, this is definitely on the sportier side. This is not like, it's more comfortable than the Civic Type R, as I said, but it is still very sporty. This is not, it's not a smooth ride by any means. It's a rough ride for sure. That's what the point of this car is. Like compared to a TLX Type S, which is a lot more comfortable, this car is meant to be, you know, a lot sportier, have a rougher ride. And it definitely feels that way. But the seats hold you in place very well. And yeah, I mean, you can also put it in comfort mode too. Yeah, like a bump like that, you'll definitely feel it. But as I said, I find it funny how the Integra Type S has a lot of stock exhaust than the Civic Type R. But overall, I mean, very nice car to drive, very fun. I mean, you can see these throws. Like, look how like notchy they are. It's so good for stock. Like, there's no vagueness in the throws. Like, it feels very mechanical. I like the mechanical feel of this shifter. Look at that. It's just so nice. It's perfect. And I really applaud Acura for making a manual sports sedan, especially with, you know, how not many people in the US even know how to drive manual, and because of how limited the market is for high performance manual sedans. Like, for example, I have a manual G80 M3, as you guys know, and I've only met one other person who has a manual transmission M3. In the G80, of course. But yeah, and these cars, the Integra Type S, I see a lot of regular Integras, but I've probably seen maybe 2 or 3 Integra Type S's on the road since 2024 when it came out. I don't see a whole lot of these, that's for sure. Yeah, steering just feels so nice and heavy. I love it. But overall, very nice 2026 Acura Integra Type S. Thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Acura in the description below if you would like to shop for your own new or pre-owned Acura Integra Type S.